It's the standout show of the year for pharmacy professionals, without a doubt. Everyone who's anyone comes here.
It's amazing. I think it's busier this year than I've ever seen in the last few years. It's the only show that happens for the retail pharmacists in the UK, and it's a showcase for new things that are coming out into the market. It's very important.
This year, significantly busier than last year. An awful lot of community pharmacists here today and people interested in the pharmacy sector. So we've been pretty overwhelmed by just how much people have wanted to know about what we're doing. We've been flat out all day. It seems to be continuing and we're optimistic for the same tomorrow.
The show's been brilliant actually. We've had so many people up at the stand and it's our first time here and we've been really impressed with the response we've had. We've actually already booked our spot for next year because it's been so useful for us to actually meet so many contacts.
The atmosphere has been amazing so far. I mean, I got here fairly early and it's been building ever since, but I've met loads of people and had a chance to chat. Opportunities like this show are enormously important because they offer new perspectives.
There's so many different businesses here, great suppliers, and I think if you're a business operating within the pharmaceutical and healthcare sector, you can certainly come here and find everything you need for your business.
I've attended the pharmacy show over the last 4 years, and I think this year is probably the busiest I've seen it. And actually we've seen some really important customers across community pharmacy, and it's sort of our time to really engage with pharmacy, and this is a really good opportunity to do it.
It can be quite a lonely place working in store by yourself, so to be able to meet companies, products, ask questions to the actual manufacturers is such an amazing thing because it's so difficult out there to get information that you need sometimes. I've been to the seminars and they're really good, really informative, and it's nice to be able to ask questions and receive things to take away as well to think about at home.
One aspect is almost to have a brand equalisation deal. The lecture theatres are essential here because it gives the attendant a really focused view on a number of really important issues that are going on. The pharmacy show also brings very many experts in to talk about these things and to actually give their expertise.
Here you can access such a wide range of information about different offers, but importantly get up to date on clinical policy, public health issues, and really kind of tailor what you need to know and learn amongst your peers and colleagues.
There's something for everybody here, and I think that's really useful, and certainly the feedback I get and the feedback I would give is very positive in that respect.
I think it's important that we have lectures in the pharmacy show because we're getting all these industry leaders and they have all these different opinions that we need to hear out. Getting an exciting future. It's the future of pharmacy.
It's a really nice show to move around. The atmosphere here is really open. There's lots of really good technologies here. We use it as a showcase every year as the biggest event that we do to bring all our new technologies here. We've got new items on the stand that are hopefully driving an awful lot of business through us. But there's a lot of reciprocal businesses around here. There's lots of really interesting stuff to go around and see. And I think the pharmacists find it really, really engaging and informative as an event.
This is one of the best shows I ever come to because you can see how pharmacists can unite together and talk together. Pharmacy is not just in the UK, it's internationally. We can see people coming from abroad, and that's why it's really important to set up this international point.
I came from Afghanistan to see the show. The show is fantastic, it's vibrant, it's really good.
This is our second year within the pharmacy show. We've been rushed off our feet. Loads of customers and potential customers to come to us from around the world, not only just UK.
Having a show like this, it allows people to come out and meet others, hear other stories and what they're doing in their own business and so on, and learn from each other. You're constantly networking with people, and that's a great thing.
The pharmacy show for us today has been an overwhelming success even early on. Based on what we've seen at the pharmacy show today, we'll be definitely back next year.